Hi everyone, welcome back to my garage. Last time I tried to show you how to repair glass with toothpaste. Well, this week I'm gonna show you how to do it the real way. So after a little bit of Googling, I discovered this product called Ceriglass, which is an abrasive product that you can use on glass to kind of cut down some of these scratches, which I'm hoping this works today. At least see some progress. If not, I may have to step it up one more notch with a rotary buffer, which I have on the way. It's coming. But for right now, I would really like to see how much this actually works on really scratched glass, and I'll just be doing it by hand today, but I'm going to move you a little bit closer and get started on applying this. Alright, so I'm hoping you can see this a little bit better than last week. I took the car out for a rip last weekend, backed it in here, which allows me to have these lights that are a little bit closer than having the lights over the garage door. So I'm just going to start with a little section here. I'm going to clean it off with some Windex first. I also have a spray bottle full of water because I heard that this Cerapro does kind of dry out with use. If you're working it, then it was recommended to spray some water on the product or the compound as you're working. So let's see, you can probably see all those nice scratches in there. Probably not helping with my paper towel, but cool thing is, and I believe this is an applicator, but they do provide this for you. The way I've heard these described is this foam is supposed to be something firm that you can hold and kind of manipulate the actual surface of this. And this is just the applicator part. So let's see how this comes out. I haven't like opened it or anything. Let's see if, oh, nope, there we go. So that's how much I have on there. I'm just gonna start giving it a shot. Let's see if this actually works. Alright, I'm going to take my Windex and wipe off this residue and see how much things have changed. Hopefully we'll see some impact here. Ooh. Interesting. Interesting. Kind of looks promising. Okay. Looks, after one application, I feel like these scratches do look a little bit less deep. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on a few more applications and we'll see where we're at after that. Again, I'm just going to do this much, nothing crazy, and we're going to keep working the same spot. Tiny circles, slight pressure. Now I am interested in using a rotary buffer on this. However, I am concerned about the heat that one of those would produce on this glass, because I've heard that heat can really impact glass, make it warped. And this compound would probably dry out a lot faster with heat. So I actually am going to try this where I spray just a little bit of water on there. Extend the life of this compound a little bit, I hope. Alright, something is definitely happening here. Let's see if I can get a good shot for you guys. Still a lot of scratches, but I feel like I am making a difference. Maybe it's all in my head. Alright, application number 3. Man, I really cannot tell if this is working or not. I mean, the glass definitely looks shinier, but I think this is like, I don't know, kind of futile. Resistance is futile. Let's see if we can make an assessment here. Still a ton of scratches on this back glass. Alright, so that is stage 2 of trying to repair this glass before I actually commit to having it replaced. I don't know if it's working. I don't know if I will be able to get these scratches out with this compound. I may try using the rotary with toothpaste as well. That'll be next week once the rotary buffer gets here. So, looking forward to that. Looking forward to actually figuring this out and getting this car back to how it should be. Now, that's all I have for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any recommendations on how to repair glass, I am way open to them because I'm not quite ready to spend the $700 on replacing the front and rear window. However, if that's what I gotta do, that's what I gotta do. So, I am also open to exploring all avenues before taking that course of action. That being said, happy Sunday. Hope you have a great week. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, please. And I'll see you in the next one, probably next weekend. Peace.